This video shows you how to get at your readmission data. You'll see how to view it by number of days the patient was in your care prior to readmission, by referral source, by diagnosis, and by team. So to begin with, click on Readmissions on your dashboard. Here you will be prompted to make selections. First, we will leave the default selections indicated by the lavender arrows. These enable us to see all referral sources, all diagnoses, and view the information by the number of days. Because we want to focus upon rehospitalizations versus all hospitalizations, we will place a check on the first box, pointed to by the red arrow. Immediately you see your readmissions listed by the number of days the patient was in your care before they were rehospitalized. To the right is the cumulative number. We will choose to click on the cumulative blue number 54, which is at 30 days. A box will appear enabling you to choose how you want to see your data listed. Now you can review the patient and visit detail associated with those cases. We can also go back and choose to see this data segmented by referral source. You can see that for the time period you have selected within your dashboard options, shown at the top of your report, there are 37 readmissions from Eastern MMC, 5 from Family MD, and so on. Click on the blue numbers to instantly view the patient and episode detail. Return to the Selections menu for readmission calculations. This enables you to narrow your choice to a specific referral source if you want to see your readmissions listed by the number of days in care prior to the readmission. Here we choose Eastern MMC. A click on the cumulative number at the 30-day mark and you can identify the patients who should be studied further. You can also see readmissions gathered by such diagnoses as heart failure, pneumonia, acute MI, COPD, or total joint replacements. These are diagnoses for which repeated readmissions will result in hospital fines. Honing in on these and working with hospitals to reduce readmissions will improve patient care and help the hospital avoid penalties. Sharing this information can strengthen your partnership with those forming ACOs and directing disbursement of bundled revenue. This detailed data will also help in marketing your agency to potential referral sources. In this example, we choose COPD. A click and you see there are 8 rehospitalizations for patients with COPD. Then another click and you have the detail to review. Go to the Selections page to study the readmissions of your patients with heart failure. Out of the 31 transfer and discharges for patients with heart failure during this time range, there were a total of 8 who were readmitted within 29 days of admission. Another click gets you directly to the patient and episode detail. If you return to the dashboard options and its selection page, you can choose to review your data by teams. Here we choose Team Rachel. Then follow the steps outlined before. You can quickly see there are a total of 3 in 15 days. A click on that total, and you can look over these cases. Study your readmissions by team. Does one team perform better? Does one team have more readmissions related to a certain diagnosis? The steps are easy. Go ahead and try.